guys, Kaylee here, back with another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the KDMob family. You know what I'm saying? And for those of you that already have subscribed to me, welcome back to my channel. What it do? What's up? KDiani here in the comment. You know what I'm saying? And as titled today, I'm going to show you guys how I get my hair big. Because a lot of people ask me, how do you get your hair so big? What magic powers do you use? Did you put your finger in a socket? You know, some people try to be funny. But you know, they just mad. You know what I'm saying? But on the real, I'm going to show you how I do it, because I have people on a day-to-day basis ask me, they compliment my hair. Either I'm at work or I'm at school, out in the public, strangers, you know what I'm saying? So today I'm going to be sharing with you all how I do that. And when you see how I do it, you'll be like, I know you lying, or something like that. But you know what I'm saying? But it's real simple. So I'm not going to ramble anymore. We're going to get straight into the video.
Hey y'all, as y'all can see, this is freshly washed hair. Today I'm going to be using my BABYBLISS VOLARE blow dryer, and the setting I'm going to use it on is a low setting, very low speed, just so I can not disturb the curl pattern to keep it in that form. As you can see, I use circular motions to blow dry my hair. I don't really know the reasoning behind me doing that, but I feel like it helps me a lot. Also, notice how I'm blowing my hair in the direction that is falling. I don't blow against it to prevent from disturbing the curl and preventing frizz. So as you can see here, my hair is like 75% dry. I'm still going to be using the same method, but once it starts getting more dry, I switch it up just a tad bit. Notice how I do the sides, I do the back, I do the front. Right here, you can see I'm turning up the speed, not necessarily the heat. And I'm going to use that button as well, because it makes the blow dryer move faster. But back to what I was saying, the reason why I flip my hair in the different directions is so that way my hair can have more movement. Who wants stiff curls? Look at that bounce, you feel me? So once my hair starts looking more dry, I just go crazy.
Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Go stupid. Go crazy. Yeah.
I love picking my hair. Like, I just love big hair. I could care less about frizz or definition, but I feel like I get definition and volume with some frizz, but that's okay. Oh, and I use the blow dryer again so that I can get more volume. and I do this little shake. Helps me pull out my hair, open it up, just so I can get it to my liking. See, and now I'm feeling myself. If you don't feel like that after you're done, then
well, that about wraps up this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share the video. Guys, I just want to let you guys know I'm on the road to 7,000 subscribers. So if you guys can please help me get there. I'm thankful for you all that have helped me get to this amount of subscribers that I have currently. And even when I'm gone and I disappear off the planet of the earth, you guys still stick around. That's why. Heavy. You feel me, dog? But stay tuned for the next video. Next video might be not gonna tell you. Anyways, mucho besitos till next time.